Hey, what's up, guys? Today we'll be doing a oil change on a 2023 Honda Pilot. For this job, we will need a washer, 5.8 quarts of OW20 oil, an oil filter, some sort of oil filter wrench, an extension, a ratchet, and a 17. Okay, so right here, this is the jack point for the vehicle. So make sure you align your jack with that point. We got it. All right, guys, so we finished lifting the vehicle. I have added 2 jack stands, one in the back, one in the front. It's safer just in case our jack fails. So the first thing to do after the car is lifted is to make sure you take out the cap on for the engine so it could drain properly. So take out the cap, put it to the side. Also take the dipstick out and put it to the side as well. Clean it first. All right, guys, so that right there is your engine filter. And right here is the engine oil pan right next to the muffler. So you can see the muffler is the engine oil. So this is what we need to loosen up. Used for, so you can locate the filter. It's on the passenger right side on the front tire, right there. And the bolt is like right underneath it. It literally says engine oil on it. You can't miss it. So first thing you need to do, make sure to loosen it up. So mine is already loose. And just take it out with your hands. Make sure you line up the pan. That should work. Let it drain, baby. Now we gotta take out the oil filter. All right, make sure to clean the bolt and add the new gasket. Always clean your area. The drain and put your bolt back in. All right, so now we're about to get the filter loose. Just put your tool in there. All right, so just get it loose. And it's gonna start dripping oil. Try to catch myself if we can so we don't get the area dirty. Make sure to clean your area around the filter. So when I put in the new filter, we usually pre-fill it, but since we got that horrible angle, I'm only gonna put a little bit around the seals, lubricate it. So only a little bit. That should be good enough. All right, so make sure you get it in that circle and just tighten it. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So, all right, now we need to put the engine oil back inside. So you will need a funnel for this part. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the beginning of the video, but you will need a funnel or cut up a water bottle. You can use it as a funnel, but you need something to be able to power the oil inside without making a mess. So this will be 1 quart. And then we just got 1 more bottle, but we're gonna have to check so we don't put too much oil in. So we're gonna put half of this, and then we're gonna check the oil, see where it's at. So it's 5.8, we're gonna put a little bit more than half. That. So here, drain. So now we're gonna put the cap back on the engine. Take out these gloves. So when I come inside the car, turn it on. Let the engine run a little bit. While it does that, we're gonna go and clear the engine maintenance. So take that down. Maintenance info. Select reset items. Yes. Everything looks good. All right, now I'm just checking that there's no oil leaks on my filter. Looks great. There's no oil leaks on my oil pan. Looks good. Make sure everything looks good. So now we're about to check the oil level. Make sure you get a clean rag. Clean it. Lock in. Let's check where we're at. We're right above where it's supposed to go, so I said we're better than good. For washing, that's all for today. And if this is just like a extra thing, but I do put like every time I do my oil changes on like a maintenance, vehicle maintenance. So I'm just gonna wrap down the mouths and call it a day. Thank you for watching.